Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic are very important questions of international relations asked in competitive examinations and in the subject of international relations. These are the most basic questions of international relations. Let us start with the first question. Who held the view that state comes into existence for the sake of life and it continues for the sake of good life? And its answer is Aristotle. He was a Greek political philosopher. Number two, Congress of Vienna took place in which year? In 1815. Number three, the term nationality is derived from a Latin word natia. The state exists merely because crime exists and its principles function, therefore, is to protect and restrain, not to foster and promote. It's called liberalism. Number five, the Treaty of Westphalia established modern nation-state system, which was signed in 1648. Number six, the Treaty of Versailles concluded in 1919 after the end of First World War between Germany and Western European countries. Number seven, the Treaty of Versailles settled peace in Europe. It is a myth. What is prevalent? What is relevant to the welfare view of functions of the state? Predominance of group interest over priorities of individual, means interests of state are supreme. Number 19, international relations during 1648 to 1945 are at the end of the Second World War were characterized by multipolar system. Number 10, totalitarian state is the one which claims to regulate every sphere of individual's life and activities, means autocratic state. The book Theory and Practice of International Relations is written by Palmer and Perkins. Number 12, in the pluralist theory, the state is the one among several associations. Number 13, Immanuel Kant and John Locke provides the philosophical basis for liberalism. Number 14, the subordination of the individual to the state is an essential feature of which one of the following: fascist doctrine. It was prevalent in Italy. Or dictatorial states. Number 15, preemptive strike doctrine confers upon state the right to attack any potential threat to its security. Like many times USA attacked other states on this pretext. Number 16, Morgenthau presents which theory? Realist theory of IR, that national interest and morality must determine state action. Number 17, the idealist theory about the functions of state is also known as metaphysical theory. 18, which one of the following is most acceptable theory of the origin of state? Evolutionary theory. There are many other theories. 19, the largest state in terms of territory or area in Asia and also in Europe is Russia. In number 20, in the view of Marxist, state is a class structure. 21, the state exists within society, but it is not even the form of society. These words are attributed to Beclever. Number 22, state is necessary evil to the view is the view held by individualists. Modern age is global, and global system is an era of cooperation. Means there is less chance of war. Number 24, welfare state gives importance to economic decentralization. Number 25, base of welfare state is supremacy of law. Number 26, what was the driving force behind international relations in Europe during the 19th century? The balancing of power between state and the prevention of hegemony. Number 27, what is the aim of welfare state? Development of individual in all spheres. What is essential and suitable for welfare state is democracy. In present era, democracy is the best form of government. It is known as government by the people, for the people, of the people. According 29, according to whom welfare state solves many problems. Plato is also a Greek philosopher, political philosopher. Objectives of international relations are to safeguard national interests of the states. What is the importance of Woodrow Wilson's 14-point? Woodrow Wilson was the President of United States of America. To the study of international relations, they are the foundation for the idealist approach in international relations. Means it was advocated for peace. Which approach to international relations argues that states behave in structurally similar way regardless of their regime type, geographical location, and political ideology. Realism. These are theories of international relations. Realism, idealism, and historical. There are many. And number 33. What was the Treaty of Westphalia? The treaty that established the modern international system in the world. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. Goodbye. See you in next lecture.